As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, right? The Weber Q1000 and the Char-Broil Performance Series.
Yep, both Amazon's choice, so they're definitely popular. Let's dive in.
First thing I notice is size. The Weber's way smaller, only 189 square inches of cooking space. The Char-Broil has a whopping 600.
Huge difference! So the Char-Broil is definitely for bigger cookouts, and it has 3 burners compared to Weber's single burner.
Right. The Weber is more portable, though, only 27.5 pounds. The Char-Broil is a hefty 85 pounds. Think tailgating versus backyard barbecue.
Good point. What about power?
The Weber's burner puts out 8,500 BTUs. The Char-Broil boasts 34,000 BTUs total, plus a 10,000 BTU side burner. So way more heat output and versatility with the Char-Broil.
Definitely more flexibility with that side burner. Make sides and sauces a breeze. What about the cooking grates?
Weber uses porcelain-enameled cast iron. The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated steel grates. Cast iron usually holds heat better, but both are rust-resistant and easy to clean.
The Char-Broil also touts its TWOOT infrared cooking technology, claiming it prevents flare-ups and cooks juicier food. That's a big selling point.
True, the Weber doesn't have anything like that. It's a simpler design. But simplicity can be good, you know? Less to go wrong.
Yeah, and the Weber comes fully assembled, which is a plus. The Char-Broil requires assembly.
Price-wise, the Weber's around $229, while the Char-Broil is about $311. So the Char-Broil is a noticeable investment.
So basically, it boils down to size and features versus portability and simplicity. The Char-Broil is for serious grilling, and the Weber is for smaller, mobile grilling needs.
Exactly. And don't forget about the videos. Both have a good number of videos to get a better feel for the product.
Good call. Always worth checking those out.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.